If you notice, the patio door has some movement when it is locked. There's a very simple fix for this. First, you must unlock the patio door and slide it open. Once the door is open, turn the lock to the locked position. There is a screw above the L-shaped lock mechanism. By turning the screw counterclockwise, you will adjust the door to be tighter. Turn the lock back to the unlocked position and close the door. Lock the door and test it. This may require a couple of times through trial and error to snug the lock up to eliminate the movement.